guys, welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the February cozmobox. So I have actually already filmed this once and the footage got corrupted, so I'm refilming it again now. But I hope you enjoy today's video. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So jumping straight in, firstly I want to mention I do now have a code with cozmobox. It is Pure Lottie and it will get you 10% off your very first box with cozmobox. So I'll add that to the description down below and on the screen for you. But let's jump into what we got. So again, we got the cute box with the little strap on it. And I have taken the packaging off everything already because, as I mentioned in the intro, I have already filmed this once and now I'm having to refilm it again. So basically this box is extremely delayed. Two reasons why. One was cozmobox didn't receive some of their products in time, so they have had to swap out 2 of the items. They have advised that 2 of the items that are missing from this box will be featured in future boxes, but they've had to put in 2 different items than what they had predicted. And also they have thrown in a little freebie for this mess around. Also, Australia Post took forever, so it is now mid-March. I'm refilming this on the 16th of March. I'm hoping to film it, edit it and get it uploaded in the same day, fingers crossed, if not a day later. And I also have a second little gift in here for the mess up with the shipping for the last 2 months where I paid for express shipping but it was sent standard. So let's jump in and see what we've got. So jumping straight in, we have the little booklet here which shows all the items in the box. We then did also get this little update card to scan the QR code. The QR code isn't working anymore. I'm not sure if they've taken it down now because everybody's got all their boxes or what. But the 2 items that were replaced was the Bergamo 24 carat luxury ampoule and the Go Quick Hara volume maker shadow. So instead they have provided a Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate, which is this little one here. So we'll say this is little item 1. So it's just another one of these little serum things. Super cute. This is meant to be really good. If I can find the price for this, I will add it to the screen. This is just a little sample 7ml one. And the second item that they put in as a alternative was this one here. It is from Ipsum. It is the Best Skin Body Oil and it does say it's rose on here. So the box is really luxurious. It's a black matte box with gold writing and then inside it has like this, I think this is a glass bottle. Really pretty. It will look really nice sitting on your counter. So basically it just says on here to gently massage all over body. For best results, apply to damp skin after bathing. Use morning and night. So again, if I find the price, I will add it to the screen for you. This is a full size. It's 100 mils. Says it's patchouli rose. So yeah, I think that would be a really nice item. Okay, so this pairs with this item here, which is also from Ipsum. I think I'm pronouncing that right, but this one is an exfoliant. It's an enzyme skin micro polish. It is 55 grams, so it is a full size. It retails for 62 Australian dollars, and again it has a really nice packaging. So nice like glass bottle. So this one here, it says enhance your skincare routine with this gentle dual activating polishing formulation featuring 9 pure organic botanical extracts from Ipsum. The formula is designed to clarify, smooth, brighten, hydrate and refine your skin's texture and tone. So simply activate the formula with water or mix it with Ipsum Best Skin Cleansing Oil Balm for a refreshing and uplifting skincare experience. So that sounds really nice. These type of products I tend to be allergic to, so I'm a bit nervous about trying this one. So I might pass this one on to my mother-in-law because she would love this. Product number 4 is an anti-aging, retexturizing and resurfacing duo. So it is from Able Skincare. So this is what it looks like. So this retails for $108. Oof, That's expensive. So it's a 50ml full-size moisturizer. So it says, experience the ultimate in anti-aging skincare with Abel's retexturizing and resurfacing duo moisturizer. It's formulated with Cosmetic Drone, the most advanced delivery system for active ingredients. This luxurious moisturizer is perfect for sensitive and dry skin. The combination of shea butter and cottonseed oil helps restore softness and suppleness, giving you the radiant and youthful looking skin you deserve. So this one sounds really good, and it does say that it's for sensitive skin. So I might do a patch test on my arm, and if it works, then I might try this one out myself. So I'm excited about that. And for the price, $108. Whew, that's a lot. That's a lot. So the next item is a cozmobox branded item. So it comes in this little velvet pouch. It is a beauty spatula. So it just looks like this. So this end is for massaging, and then this end you can scoop out your product. So basically it says, upgrade your skincare game with our cozmobox golden white skincare spatula. The stylish massage tool comes with a convenient black pouch, making it easy to take on the go. Use it to enhance the absorption of eye cream and reduce puffy eyes, dark circles and uneven skin tone for a brighter and more youthful look. So this is really nice. I might actually pop this in a giveaway because I do already have a bunch of these. Not this specific one, but I've got a lot of products that are very similar to this, and I already don't use them all as it is. So I might pop it in a giveaway for one of you guys because that's a really cute item. Next item is just a cleanser, and it is from Lancome. So it is like this. This one retails for $62. It's a 30ml deluxe size cleanser. So this is just a cleanser. There's no details on it, but I'm pretty sure it's just the same as normal, you know, to cleanse your face or take your makeup off. The next item is from Terry D. Mars, and it is a 15ml eye cream. So it's a full size, and it retails for $38.83. So it just looks like this. So it says, revitalize the delicate skin around your eyes with Terry D. Mars Smoothing and Firming Organic Eye Cream. Experience a more youthful, radiant look with this nourishing formula. So it sounds really, really nice. I might give this one a shot as well. I'll do a patch test before I try anything, as I always do. So the last two items are the two freebies. So one item was for the mess up with the delay in shipping of the box, and the other item was for the mistake on not sending my last two boxes express postage. So I don't know which one is which, but the first item I've got here is from Douche, and it is a concealer. So it is in the shade YM4, and it's actually like a stick concealer here. So I'm interested in giving this a shot. I'm not sure if you can see that. That's the shade there. I don't know. It might be a little bit too dark, but I think I can make it work. Maybe if I put on some fake tan, then maybe it will work better for me. And then the lucky last item is a cozmobox branded bag. So this is really cute. It's like this blush sort of pink. It's a nice textured bag. It's got rose gold zipper with cozmobox stamped on the front there, and when you open it up, it is all the waterproof inside, and it does have two little pouches on this side, so you can actually put stuff in there, but it does come out to be like a decent size sort of bag. So really happy with that. I might pop this in a giveaway as well because I've got a ton of makeup bags that I don't really need. I normally just take the same bag every time. So yeah, I might put that in a giveaway for you guys. So that is everything in today's box. I will add up the price, and I'll pop it up here somewhere versus what I paid, so you can see whether it was good value for money. I already know that it is, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to check out Cozmobox yourself, don't forget to use the code PURELOTTIE. It will get you 10% off your very first box with Cozmobox. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!